It is that time of year again. It is FabFitFun for summer 22. FabFitFun, first of all, it's hard to say, but it is the only subscription box I still have a subscription to. For me, I find a lot of things that I like, and worst case, I get a few gifts for friends and loved ones. And honestly, the time between when I make my selections and this box actually arrives, I've forgotten most of it.
For customization 1, the options are this IGK Legendary Dream Hair Shampoo and Conditioner Bundle. I have a few IGK products that I really like. They do have really good ingredient decks. The MSRP on this is $100, which, one, I don't want to fall in love with it because that's kind of expensive, but two, I also know that I can get it for a while through FitFabFun for considerably less than that, so I'm definitely thinking about that. This shoulder bag, I have an incredible collection of bags and purses and don't use a lot of pinks. Here is a Draper James woven seagrass tray. Again, I don't have a use for that. And Luxe Choice FoxyBae Rose Gold Blowout Dryer. Also from Society 6, an outdoor blanket. I really like Society 6. It's a website where they pair up with artists and you can get, here's a blanket, phone covers, laptop skins. It's a really great website. Free People Seamless Bralette. No, the girls are way too big and need way more support than that.
The selection I made, ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Night Cream. Yes, I don't want to fall in love with this spendy night cream, but I know I'll use it.
A Lilly Pulitzer lounge towel. Okay, I don't know exactly what a lounge towel is. It looks oversized. Beauty First Aid, Ingrown hair pads, and KP Bump Eraser. Thankfully, I don't suffer from those maladies. From OUAI, a scalp and body scrub. From Gallerie, these are a couple of canisters with lids. 4 inches by 4 inches by 2.5 inches tall. Kind of medium small. And then those canisters also come in clear glass. Or a neoprene beach tote. Ooh, so this is one of those. I am not super thrilled about any of the choices.
I chose the Lilly Pulitzer lounge towel. This is a really big cross between a blanket and a towel. I have some great nieces who are going to come over this summer and use the lake, and I know they will love the fun colors on this.
Guac and salsa bowls with spoons. Yep. Dr. Brandt, the DNA Do Not Age Time Defying Cream. I'm not familiar with this particular product, and not surprising to see this $132 MSRP on that. Cosmedix First Blush Brightening Acai Infused In-Shower Face Mask. Oh, what the heck is that? I'm familiar with face masks. Yes, I usually wash them off in the shower. That is just confusing to me. From TULA, a Skincare and Protect Glow Daily Sunscreen. Fenty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. I have owned that mascara before. It's not bad. I have an ab wheel. I won't say that I use it, but I have one. Bauble bar. It's like you get one necklace, the bar, and 2 necklace extenders.
I chose the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Time Defying Cream. If you saw my video where I decluttered my massive skincare stash, you know I have a lot of things like this that are just going to be one and done. They fill a slot in my nighttime routine. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it right here for you. I got the Sanctuary pendant necklace with the rose quartz and the extender and tripler from Bauble Bar. This one will probably go to a friend.
4 more from TULA. This is a face cleanser. From Wish, Beauty Rose Hip and Lotus Firming Sleep Mask, some acne patches, a candle, a poolside water resistant pouch, or some gel sculpt contour sticks.
I chose the Wish Firming Night Mask. I probably won't use this overnight, but I do like using them as a regular face mask.
From Ahava, a moisturizer for normal to dry skin. We also have one over here for combo skin. Some eye masks from Grace and Stella. Also an eye cream. A natural milk and honey cuticle oil. A desk mat. A brain teaser and activity book. Not super impressed with these choices.
I chose the Ahava Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin. I have owned this product before. I think it's a very nice product. I may have to wait again until winter when my skin's a little drier to use this, but it'll go in my stash.
A leave-in conditioner from Acai, a shampoo and conditioner, a watch from Monroe, Indie Lee CoQ10 toner, from Anastasia Beverly Hills satin lipstick in butterscotch. That looks like a pretty shade. From Billion Dollar Brows, a brow bundle there. Espa and Vosh bundle. I don't think I've ever heard of those brands. A body polish and a manicure bundle from Ciate London and Mine Tan. A dewy setting spray and Rapid Recover After Sun gel. Just seems like a very strange combination to me. A Bluetooth speaker. A Virginia Woolf wrap. That actually looks kind of cute.
I picked the big scarf. I feel like it has a definite kind of Tommy Bahama vibe, and it just looks so pretty. The Anastasia satin lipstick in the shade Butterscotch. Here's what that looks like. I think that is going to be a really pretty color for summer, and it's a nude I don't think I already own. I'm going to be honest, I have no idea what this is. I mean, I know it's a body scrubber. I don't think it was a choice, and it's not usually the kind of thing that's on its own. Maybe it was part of something bigger. That declutter video I mentioned is right here, and it'll be on the screen in just a moment, along with a playlist of all my declutterings.